Tinitingala ng kanyang mga kasamahan sa Department of Interior and Local Government si Secretary Jessie Robredo. Warang lingkod bayan daw talaga ang yumaong kalihim. Kaugnay niya mga kapanahim natin si Assistant Secretary Esther Aldana, isa sa mga nakatrabaho ni Secretary Robredo sa DILG. Magandang umaga po, Asec Aldana.
Good morning po.
Kumusta naman po kayo at mga kasamahan ninyo sa DILG ngayon?
We're still coping, pero mahirap pa rin mag-adjust in the past days. And every time na nag-uusap-usap kami, we're reminiscing our meetings with him, our moments with him, particularly every time na we have our MANCOM conference. And he's giving us instructions. Lahat kami may notebook to take down his instructions. And for my part, siguro para kaming estudyante na nakaka-anim na akong notebooks since July 2010 when he assumed taking down his instructions, because every time that you would meet him, even in the elevator, he will give you instructions, and he would always say, una, pangalawa, pangatlo, and pang-apat. Then, up to his office, meron pa rin siyang instruction. So every time, yes, sir.
Yeah, paano ho naiiba ang kanyang management or leadership style doon sa mga ibang leaders na nakatrabaho nyo?
He would normally give you instructions pertaining, on my part, on the financial management system. Will always give me instructions that to see to it that we prudently spend our resources and we can save at the end of the year and be able to accomplish what we have planned.
Paano niyo po may lalarawan ang pakikisalamuha ng kalihim sa mga taga-DILG?
Very humble siya. As the employees have said, pumipila siya sa elevator, and one time nung nawalan ng, nasira yung elevator, umakyat siya sa hagdan, and may nakita siyang may nagbebenta ng food, tinulungan niya ito, dinala yung basket, kasi sa tingin niya mabigat. And then, pag kami naman sa amin, kasamahan, he's very concerned. Pag nagpaalam ka sa kanya na tungkol sa pamilya mo, talagang papayagan ka niya, like mag-enroll or may examinations that you have to leave early, the office. Papayagan niya talaga yun, no questions asked. And every time na magbibigay siya ng instructions, laging may please. And sometimes, secretary na siya, he would still say, can I call you? Is it okay to call you now? Did I wake you up? Will it be okay if you accept my call? So mga ganong klase na talaga may mismo sa kanya, always with respect. He treated his staff with respect. And even people around him, yung immediate staff niya, like si Miss Joanne, Attorney Rances, talagang with respect din sila. Pag nag-treat sa employees of the DILG and also the officials of the DILG. So it reflects also talagang leader siya that walks the talk.
Yeah, Asek, so kahit siya na yung kalihim, nakikiusap pa bago tumawag. Ibig sabihin,
yes.
Nagpapaalam pa via text kung pwede siyang tumawag. Baka kayo maistorbo.
Opo. Ganun po siya talaga.
So ano naman po yung pang-araw-araw niyang routine sa DILG? Maaga ba siyang pumasok? Anong mga una niyang ginagawa? At ano yung mga pang-araw-araw niyang activities pag nasa opisina?
Dumarating talaga siya maaga, as early as 7. And often he would call for a call at 7:30 a.m. So we are required to go to the office early. And he would ask us about the assignments given prior to that. Meron siyang notebook, assignment notebook. Chine-check niya bawat isa. po na-comply namin lahat yung instructions niya.
Para siyang teacher pala, no?
Yes, meron siyang notebook talaga. Nasulat kamay niya. Ang ganda ng sulat na kamay ni Secretary. Nahiya nga kami kasi kami, minsan di namin mabasa yung sulat namin. Siya talaga very clean ang sulat niya. And kahit anong gusto niyang gawin, like nagsusuot siya ng medyas while kausap kami, if he has to do something, he has to do it. Regardless.
Ma'am,
Ganun po siya talaga.
ma'am, paano naman kung may hindi makagawa ng assignment? Nagagalit ba? Paano kayo dinidisiplina?
Ang sasabihin lang niya, urgent yan, you have to do that. Kasi hindi ko kayo bibigyan ng assignment kung alam kong hindi nyo kaya. So we really have to do it. Ganyan po kasi siya. And sometimes, meron po siyang mga decisions and I often ask him, Sir, this will make you unpopular with this decision. Sabi niya, Esther, I would rather be right rather than popular.
Nagtataas ba siya ng boses? Nagpakita ba siya ng galit sa inyo kahit minsan?
No, yan po ang maganda sa kanya kasi hindi po siya nagtataas ng boses. Kahit po naiinis na siya, ang gagawin niya, kakagatin lang niya yung daliri niya. Hindi po siya nagtaas minsan ng boses sa amin. He would always say, please. Parang lagi siyang may pakiusap pag nagputos po sa amin.
Okay, maraming salamat. DILG Assistant Secretary Esther
Yes po.
Aldana.
Thank you po. Thank you po.